Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 31, How to Unlock the Full Potential of Your Subconscious Mind. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy focuses on how to unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind and make it work for your highest good. Dr. Murphy explains that your subconscious mind is a limitless source of creativity, wisdom, and power. It has the ability to solve problems, create opportunities, and help you achieve your deepest desires. The key is to learn to trust in its ability to guide you and provide the answers you need. To unlock your subconscious mind's full potential, Dr. Murphy recommends developing a deep sense of belief and trust. This means having absolute faith that your subconscious mind will work in your favor, no matter the circumstances. Trust that it knows what's best for you and will always lead you toward the right solutions. Dr. Murphy also emphasizes the importance of consistent mental discipline. By practicing positive thinking, visualization, and affirmations every day, you program your subconscious to align with your goals and desires. The more consistent you are, the more powerful your subconscious mind becomes. Another method is to live in harmony with your subconscious. This means eliminating doubts, fears, and negative beliefs that block the flow of positive energy. Instead, focus on cultivating peace, love, and joy in your thoughts and actions, creating an environment where your subconscious mind can work freely and effectively. The key takeaway: the full potential of your subconscious mind is waiting to be unlocked. By trusting in its power, practicing consistent mental discipline, and living in harmony with it, you can tap into its limitless resources and manifest your greatest desires. That wraps up Chapter 31. In the next chapter, we'll explore the final steps to mastering the power of your subconscious mind and living your ideal life. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next chapter of this transformative series.